I am surprised. Why don't you press the like button? Pressing the like button is not tiring. If you press the like button now and complete the video to the end, do not forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber and activate the bell to receive our upcoming videos. Write us a comment if you have a question.